Time now for the Midlands Retirement Report. Pat Struby is the founder of Preservation Specialists. Now, we often hear how important diversification is when we are saving for retirement, but sometimes we think we're more diversified than we actually are. So, Pat, what does it really mean to be diversified?
Yeah, this is really, really important, Jen, because we all have to save for retirement, of course. And there is no one perfect place to put your money where it's going to be totally safe and you're going to get this really high return. So we have to divvy that money up. We don't want to put all our eggs in one basket. It's one of the most important things to reducing the risk. One of the things that we believe passionately is you don't have to just invest in stocks and bonds. That's old news. That's something that Wall Street has been telling you for a century. And the reality is, there's all kinds of things that are out there. Now, the good news is that allows you to be more diverse and to reduce your risk. The bad news is it becomes almost a limitless number of options. And people say, how in the world do I know what the best thing is for me? And of course, we believe everyone is different. So that's why it's important to get information for yourself and maybe consider talking to a trusted advisor to help you build a plan that's right for you.
And you have some great resources to help us learn a little bit about all those different areas of retirement planning, including things like investments and diversification.
Absolutely, Jen. Our team has put together a retirement rescue kit. This gives you all kinds of information about retirement, how to invest when you're accumulating, how to invest during retirement, how to use that to generate income in retirement, how to reduce your taxes on that income in retirement. And the bottom line, Jen, is we want to help people have as much peace of mind so they have confidence in their retirement as they're going into their retirement years. And we'd love to get that information into our viewers' hands.
A really great place to get started. Call, click, or text to get Pat's free retirement rescue kit. That is this week's Midlands Retirement Report.